Chairman Egor Local Government Honorable Egor Local don't condemn the act of one man wey convert him house to fish pond with smelly water and chemicals wey dem dey use take dey balm their body for inside him living room for the past 7 years. This one shele for number 39 Ologbosere Street off Benin Technical Road, Benin City. Honorable Egor Local come here and say belle no sweet her at all for wetin the man do. I come talk say she and the Egor Council Environmental Health Service dey for the area to monitor the clean exercise. Na him one person whisper for her ear to go check the house and say herself and her team quickly go inspect the house, and when dem reach the house dem see large fish ponds for inside the rooms and sides of the house wey get water wey don decay and dem contain both lifeless and live fishes. She come call on Edo State government and everybody for Egor make they come help her as she no fit do am alone, and say wetin the man dey do na environmental pollution wey dey bad for the health of the people wey dey for the area.
We are here at Ologbosere, evacuating the waste, and we got an information that there's a building around this road. The whole house is being converted to fish pond. So we are here now because the fish pond, all the water goes to the main road that is causing a lot of problem on the road. So we decided to come here now. You can see the whole building. When you look at the building from outside, you think it's a living house, but it's not a living house. You can see it's not a living house. Look at that one, is already dead. And people will buy this thing and they will eat it. Look at it.
Yes.
You are streaming live on Facebook.
Yes.
So let everybody know. Look at it. There's no way out from here. There's no way out from here. Look at this room. Everywhere in this house is converted to
fish pond.
Fish pond. It's a whole building. The whole building on Ologbosere. Ologbosere is in Ward 1 to Ward 8. It's in Ward 8 in Egor Local Government. You can see the whole of the building. All the rooms in the whole house is a fish pond, roofed. But when you look at it from outside, you think it's a living house. It's not a living house. So I am using this medium to talk to everybody from Edo State, from diaspora. Oh yeah. Okay, please go inside.
Sayoji.
Please go inside. Open this door. This is see. This is one of the rooms now converted. The whole house is converted. Open this room. Everywhere in this house is converted. Oga, open this door. Oh yeah, come, Oga, move that way, please. Move that way. Open the door.
Maybe
there's a fence behind.
No, they block it. Not going to.
Maybe there's a wall behind.
See, I see here, look. Here, look.
Open that door. There's a wall behind it, is pretending. This is where he keeps all the food. It's a fish pond. So how do you assess that fish pond?
It's to the other door. I just entered it.
So what's in here? You see what this guy did? He knew there was a wall there. He was asking us to open that door. When he know very well that there's a wall there. That's to show that you are a criminal. Because I don't know how people are eating this fish. Cancer every day, all kind of sickness every day. How can you turn your house to a fish pond. Can you see what we are saying? As we were clearing the road, we got an information that there's somebody, fish pond. Can you see? See the way he built the places? Can you see the way he built it?
What type of water is it?
I don't know what kind of water he's putting in.
Water is very...
Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? Can you see? Come this way. What's in here? Eh?
Laundry.
Like a kitchen.
Laundry. It's kitchen.
Even doing poultry. Edo State government, please, we are begging you. You have to come and rescue us from this. This is a situation that I think I cannot do alone. That's why I'm asking everybody from Edo State, Egor Local Government, everybody from Edo State, look at. Come and see what I'm seeing. A fish pond inside the house. A whole house with fish pond. Everywhere is fish pond. Look at here. Can you see the kind of smell? And people will eat this food. See.
Make it no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From a local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.